Hello everybody, how are you all doing? It's a lovely, wonderful, beautiful day. Dare I say that spring is in the air? Maybe, potentially, I don't know, but anyway, we decided to have a walk today. Charlie's away skiing and Max is otherwise engaged, so we found ourselves just the two of us. So we decided to go for a little bit of a wander. As you can see behind us, no, that's not our next project. Goodness me, I've got enough on my plate. But crazy looking place though, right? So we're gonna have a nice little wander, and this is our local amenity. This is something where we can go for a walk that's very, very close to the Merlin. It's an old chateau, as you can see behind us, the remains of it, and yeah, it's lovely. Very,
really
very nice.
Yeah. It's good to get away sometimes and just have a break from everything, isn't it?
It is. Yeah, the new year has come upon us, and it's an exciting one for us because we are going to be living at the Merlin this year, and that feels wonderful, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really does, and it'll give us a chance to kind of recalibrate and declutter and do all those things that we've been planning to do so that we can move into the house all kind of fresh and new.
Yeah, so talking of the moving in, we are hoping to move in May, maybe June. But yeah, like May would be lovely for me. I'd be very, very happy. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I'd love that, definitely.
Moving to a new country, which is great, by the way. Yay, France. And getting such a lovely, lovely property to do up that is very derelict still. It has proved challenging, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has.
Yeah, and we have found that talking to somebody has really, really helped us, hasn't it, over the last year?
Yeah, it's really useful to be able to talk to a therapist and kind of work through solutions and find your way through when it's difficult.
We've got a paid partnership with BetterHelp today, and we think that these guys can really help us out. And we have found that we've got so much clutter in the house, haven't we? This is the rental house.
Yeah, we're planning our move this year, and we need to declutter, we need to sort things out, we need to get things packed up.
Yeah.
And that can feel really overwhelming.
Yes, especially when you have everything else to do. Project managing in French, c'est difficile.
It's very straightforward with BetterHelp. You just fill in an online questionnaire and they find a therapist who is the best fit for you.
Yeah, and if you find out after a bit that you're not particularly getting on with that one, it's quite easy to actually just find another one that can really, really unlock your potential.
Yeah, and it's absolutely free to change to another therapist, so that makes things a lot simpler.
You guys are going to love this. Come and take a look at this. The Merlin is just down there. So click that link in the description or go to betterhelp.com/Moulin Rouge and you can get 10% off of your first month, which is kind of cool. And we're going to head off back down there and get on with some work.
See you later.
Bye. Do, 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 do. None of them? So I'll go get the bag with all the other hoses. Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? Didn't work here yesterday because we were waiting for a delivery of a cyclonic device to help us get rid of the dust. Goodness me, the dust. It's emotional. I also went and bought better hoover, so we have the ability with a new hoover and this vortexy tubey thing to really, really reduce the amount of dust that we're kicking up with the floor sander, because goodness me, it is attritional, I would say. Right, we need to try and find a hose that fits. Come with me. Right, I have a Makita bag here somewhere with different hoses. There we go. Right, come on, you big old hose bag. So I haven't actually talked to you guys about what we are doing. We are sanding the concrete floor. Merlin and I did a little test patch a few days ago where the stairs are going to go, so completely hidden. We went for 2 passes in one place, 3 passes in one, and 4 passes, and then polished it up, and we got a really nice result. However, it was so nice that I was determined to kind of end up with this kind of exposed aggregate look all the way through. However, we have hit a slight snag, and that is the final third of the concrete is it's just much harder, much harder. Maybe we're gonna have to rein back just a little bit on that final third. We're not sure yet because there is a limited amount of time I want to spend on it. So, you know, yeah, I'm not willing to spend a whole week on sanding 1/3 of a floor. We shall see what happens. Anyway, let's get these hoses in and see what we can do. So, just before you go any further, this is a much longer hose, but it's a slightly smaller diameter, but then you get more power. That sounded encouraging.
I go get my.
I spoke to the specialist chap yesterday, and he said that what you can do, he said if it starts to skip up there, it's because the diamonds are glazing over. So there's two things you can do, three things you can do. So number one, you can use a sprayer and just damp the surface. Number two, get a handful of dust and throw it in front of it. And he said number three, put some more weight on the machine. But, yeah.
Yes, but more weight, more glazing for me.
Sure, but those were the three options.
So there's somewhere.
Okay. That's the kitty.
I want your advice. So, do you have a lot in it?
I've cleaned out the filter once.
Yes, and here.
So
Yes.
yeah, whatever's in here isn't in there, right? That's the...
Okay. 55, 52, 54, 53, 55. So you said the bath comes here.
Yeah. Toilets
Yeah.
here.
Toilets here.
Bath
you have
is
a back
here.
wall here.
If we pop a screw in over here then,
There's
and then
plenty.
we can hinge off that point, yeah?
Okay. Every 600 your montant, or every 400?
400, yeah. So I'm going to the OSB.
Right now. Here.
Like that? Happy?
Yes.
Okay. And double check.
Yes.
Okay, good. 1945 and 1943. 2 mil.
Yes.
Cool. Okay, that's kind of as it should be.